Everybody, bwcummins here with another drawing for you. It is Inktober day 13. We're getting close to halfway through. Today's prompt word is ash, and I love the lowbrow style, making personifying objects and then making them look not so swift. So when I thought of ash, I enjoy a cigar every once in a while, and so I thought of cigars, and they're not the best thing for you, but I don't think I'm partaking enough for that to be an issue. But this guy is just chilling out and coughing up his lungs, a little bit of phlegm flying, and it's just the lowbrow style that I like to do. This is my comfort food with drawing. It's why I started the channel. A lot of the stuff I do is very technical. In the creative world, I have a creative career, but it's technical, it's on the computer, it's editing, it's graphic design or whatever. And so I started this channel because I was already doodling all the time for my enjoyment, and I thought, hey, why not record them? But the primary point of my channel is to have fun, and when it stops being fun, I'll stop doing the channel. The other reason is to hopefully motivate other people to just draw what they want and relax, have a good time. So this cigar is just trucking along, living his best life. He's got a nice ash up there, which ties into the prompt. But with the, glossy eyes and yellow teeth and phlegm, and hey, I even snuck in an editorial by putting skull and crossbones in the smoke. That's not really my style, but I did it anyway. Forgive me. The cigar label that is on his head says "Smooth, I'm fine." And nothing about this drawing, I hope, says smooth and that he's fine. So hope you enjoyed this quick drawing for Inktober Day 13 Ash. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. And there's a motorcycle going by. I wonder if you guys can hear that. And you guys have a great day. Bye now.